Let's take a look at this link to drawing operation, which in the tag it says use this option to show the contents of one drawing within another. How are we going to mix all the drawings that we have so far? Well, for that, instead of coming to one specific drawing, we're going to access the composition for the first time. So if we come here to compositions, we will see a list of the drawings that we have so far. In our case, we have a drawing of an assembly, and two parts of that assembly have their own drawing we have previously created. Maybe we should have more in this one to a more level of detail, but we can work on this is enough for the link operation. So the first thing that we're going to do to bring these two drawings inside this assembly drawing, the first thing we have to do is click on this drawing with a right click, edit, and we can see that in this drawings it was created from the assemblies drawings operation. It cannot be changed. It only accesses the assembly number 8. So first of all, we have to create a new drawing, a blank drawing with this option, new sheet, and here we are going to name it just as the operation that we're going to use, link. And instead of choosing any specific part of our structure part or assembly of our structure, we're going to choose this first option where this model is left blank, so that it accesses all of the parts, all of the assemblies instead of just one. Here in groups, we could select other types of groups. In this case, I want it to be in the assembly group because in the end, I'm just going to complete this drawing with the ones that we have already created. And the format is going to be something that we have to talk about. At first, I'm going to select at least one format, upsize one format, so the IN82 landscape at least a little bit bigger than the one that we have already. And I'm gonna click accept, so we have this blank drawing in which we're now going to insert the different drawings. So if we come to link, we will see that since we have these three drawings on the list, now that the drawing accesses the entire model and not one specific only one part or one assembly, then we can, as here in the list, to, for example, we can see the miniature of the assembly and the part drawings. So I'm going to select first the assembly, and when I click accept, I can place this drawing inside our new drawing. Let me move this a little bit because it's a little bit outside the grid. And now that it's here, we can make some changes. First of all, I can see that these title blocks for this example no longer serve us. So we are going to click here to demonstrate that this one cannot be edited. It takes us to the assembly, regional assembly drawing. So please notice that we were here in this link assembly, and if we try to edit it, it's going to take us right away back to the assembly drawing where we can make the changes. So if we make the changes, the change of deleting this title block from this drawing, when we come back to the one that this one is inserted into, now it has disappeared in this one too. So they are linked. That's why why the name of the operation. So I'm going to do the same thing with the title blocks from the ones that we have created. I'm going to delete this one and also this title block. So we can now here come back to the link one and access again the library, and I can select, okay, the drawing of part number 17, and I want to place it here. And then I want to select this other drawing of plate number 1 and place it here. So this is the way that we could use this link option to create detailing drawings of each part, and then create a drawing that mixes all of these other drawings at the same time.